What's up, guys? Welcome back to RT2CC Comic Club. Justin here, and two-day recap coming for you for October 23rd and 24th. And I just realized that I already had uploaded a video for the 23rd and the 24th. So I will either post a card or a link in the description for those two videos that kind of talk more about what was going on at that point in time. Just because I'll just be repeating myself if I talk about it again. So I'm just going to show like the balances, and then it'll be a really quick video. Now, let's just go into it. So we did do trades on the 23rd, but not the 24th. The 24th was the day that Tesla was reporting earnings after the bell, I believe. So you're going to see some pretty ugly losses, but we know that Tesla earnings last quarter were good, so you'll know what happens the day after. But anyways, so we sold our Netflix call, and we sold our Home Depot calls, and we sold our Canopy Growth calls. We took pretty decent losses on all of those. And I did buy 2 Tesla calls at the time. Again, Elon was wanting to push up the earnings, so everyone was expecting good earnings, so I decided to jump on this opportunity while I can. In hindsight, I should have just went all in on it, but I mean, my gut really was telling me it was going to be a phenomenal quarter, and I was too scared to put more money at risk. And yeah, you know, scared money doesn't really make money that often, so that's the name of the game. So just going into how the stocks did, very poorly. This is actually the 23rd was a weird reversal day, and again, I'll link to the description. I'll talk a little bit about that in the other video. But the stocks ended up way better than they started, and Tesla had a good run up, so that was awesome. Let's just go to our winners and see how we did. You can see there the top of the list is just all Tesla calls. I think there's only one call that didn't go up that day. The new call that I did buy, the January 18th, 2019, already had a phenomenal gain, so really excited that I made that trade. It started paying off immediately. So let's go to our losers. We had Canopy Growth, and that was the call that I'm holding on to. The one that I sold was in the middle of that list. And yeah, so despite those losses, Tesla just pulled us through. It came in through the clutch. That was awesome. Okay, so let's go through the next day. This was when stock started to take a huge dump everywhere, all over the place. It was pretty nasty. And yeah, so the Dow ended up down 600, NASDAQ 329, just ugly numbers. And going to our winners, I'm surprised we even had any at this point, but our Tesla calls still did win up, go up a little bit. And the main reason for that, I'm almost positive, is because right before a company reports earnings, there's a lot of implied volatility that's going on in the options, because you know, when a company reports good earnings, stocks jump. When they report bad earnings, stocks, you know, dip pretty a lot. So there's a lot of implied volatility. So option prices do go up right before earnings, which is why they say it's better to sell options when the implied volatility is high than to buy them. The only reason I bought Tesla is because I was just really positive that they were going to go up. And again, I didn't listen to my gut. I should have just bought more, but I got scared. But anyways, I'm going to experiment trying to sell some options right before earnings in the future. I'm going to try to take advantage of that strategy. It's just something I'm learning as I become a more experienced trader. That's going to be one of the things I focus on going forward. And I'm going to talk about that again in a little bit. But just going to our losers here, we had a bunch of them: Nvidia, Amazon, AT&T. That was just the stock for AT&T. Took a massive deuce everywhere, and we lost a lot of $1,500 because we have so many shares, 604 shares. Okay, so yeah, so I'm not going to talk about any articles. There really wasn't anything that exciting going on, and everything that I wanted to talk about I already did in prior videos, so I'll link to them. But the one thing I want to talk about that's current, is in terms of January 17th, 2019, was the Netflix earnings. My friend bought some calls before the earnings because he was expecting them to go up, because they always historically have gone up fourth quarter. Their earnings have been really nice in the fourth quarter fiscal years. But one of the things that I was thinking, like, I was too nervous to pull the trigger on anything because I wasn't really sure what was going to happen. Part of me was thinking, you know, it could go down because it's gone up so many quarter fours before, like fourth quarters before, that it's going to be hard to keep that streak going. That was part of me that thought that. The other part of me thought that, like, you know, watch me not do anything and I'll miss out on a great profit potential and the stock will jump tomorrow. And that was another part of me was leaning towards that. But I think the biggest part of me that was leaning was that I really thought the stock was just not going to move a whole lot at all. And just because of the main reason, because 2 days ago when they raised their prices, their stock already jumped a lot. And so the odds of it having another big jump like that would be very tough. And I think my gut was telling me, the stock already ran up a lot this week. I don't see it going up another $20 or $30 in a day tomorrow, which means the optimum strategy, I think, again, I'm not an expert, but I think the optimum strategy would have been to sell an iron condor. And I made a video about this way, way long ago when the beginning of my channel started. It's basically where you buy and sell calls and buy and sell puts on the top and bottom range, and you're hoping for the stock to stay in the middle. And that's what I was feeling like, man, this would be a good opportunity for that. I've just never done it before. I've never experimented with it. I don't know how to do it on my app. I don't think the app that I have can do that. I have to download the Thinkorswim app, and I haven't given that a lot of time because I've been focusing a lot on editing. And so I think I missed out on a big opportunity there. I think tomorrow Netflix stock is going to be kind of flat, and so it's my own fault. It's my own fault because I'm behind in editing, so I should have been caught up, and I should have been having more time to do that. So it's my own fault, but I did tell my friend as soon as I get caught up, I'm going to start messing around with that and start learning about that so I can make videos about it, and I just want to learn so I can become a better trader. So yeah, I just wanted to throw that in there. So I hope you guys have a good evening, a great night, good morning if you're watching this in the morning. If you like that video, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will link again to the other videos, and we will see you tomorrow. Hey guys, thanks again for checking out this video. If you want another way to support the channel, please check out that Patreon link up there at the top. You get access to my private Discord server where we chat about different companies we're looking at investing in. I also post my current trades in real time as well as news headlines with little mini summaries, and you can also get discounts on any merchandise that we sell, like a shirt like this, for example. And if you want to just subscribe to the channel, I would appreciate that as well. You can just click that black logo there at the bottom. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.